Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing an update on a video I done about a month ago on the McMoney App review. And we're going to show you whether it is actually worth your time to make money receiving texts, or is it just a bit of a waste of time? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I've discovered by using it for the last month. And we'll find out whether it is actually worth your time to actually go and use the McMoney app to make money receiving texts. Okay, so as you can see here, this is their website, the McMoney earn money for receiving text messages. And this is where you would actually go and download your app onto your Android phone. And if you're obviously new to McMoney, then I'll quickly run through how it works, and then I'll show you the results I got after the first month of using the app. So let's just run down. Like you say, you would download the app onto your phone, proceed to install it, register your phone number, which is the only information you need to register, and then you start receiving SMS text messages, and you can actually make money. Okay, so we're going to go into the app very shortly, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you exactly how I got on using the app after 1 month. But like I say, very, very easy indeed. Tells you exactly how to do it on the website here. I'll put a link in the description below here. If you wanted to go and then download the app and start earning, then you could. But make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video, because you're going to learn some stuff about it with me actually using the app and showing you exactly how it actually works. So obviously it says here you can install and earn money, and that does work. Yes, basically you receive texts and you earn cash, and we're going to again show you that very shortly. There is an FAQ on their website as well, so if you've got any information you need about general information, registration process, you don't receive text messages, payments, or the referral program. So any of those will give you some good answers to any questions you have there. And if you want to know a little bit more about the company, I went into a much further detail in my previous video. So check that out on the link above here. Just go and watch that video first before watching this video. So make sure you check out that first if you want more information about whether the company is legit, etc. And I go through that completely in the previous video. But today we're going to go and check out exactly how it's all working, and we're going to run across and go across to my mobile in the app, and we're going to show you exactly what's been going on over the last month. Okay, so we've come onto my app here, as you can see it on the screen, and as you can see we've come to the welcome page here, and it says on my thing in the middle, it says I've earned $1.07, and I've also got a bonus of $4.08 as well. And it says down the bottom here, I've actually received 16 text messages so far. So if we come to the main menu here and we go to we go to inbox, this tells you all the messages. It shows you all the messages I've received, and as you can see, I received my first message back on the 14th of April, and we're now on the 15th of May, which is I've just received another message today. So I thought, good idea, we're a month in, I can show you exactly how it's working and whether it is going to be worth your time. Now, once you've set this up, obviously there's nothing else you have to do. You just, like I say, receive these texts, and like I say, for us, they're all a bit gobbledygook. But all you have to do is once you've received them, you can just delete them from your phone. And then obviously this is in the back of your app. So there's nothing you actually have to do apart from that. It's literally just log in, add your phone number, and then you'll start getting texts. So as you can see here, it says here you get each message adds $0.051 to your balance. Okay, it says the minimum balance for a payout is $5. Okay, now this is the important thing I wanted to actually show you. As you can see here, I've just gone past $1.07 for my account, and I've also got bonuses of $4.08. Now that equates to more than $5. So I was wondering whether we would be able to then pull out when you got when you can add the bonuses and the balance together. But it doesn't look as if you can, because basically what it says is that when you reach your balance, you should get a cash out or a donate button that you can then forward and cash out via PayPal. Now, I got my bonuses by referring a few other people. So here's a referral code that you can use. And once you receive up to 5 texts, you will get a $1.02 bonus. And as you can see here, some of them have not taken any action at all. But I've got 3 people that have received 5 texts, and I've received 3 bonuses there. Plus, I also received my own bonus of $1 as well. So that's made my $4.08. So all in all, is it worth your time? Well, like I say, if you're not going to refer anybody and you've just got it working in the background, obviously there is no work involved. But if you've got to share and try and get other people in to get bonuses, then obviously there is a little bit of time, a little bit of effort that you're going to have to get with that. Which wouldn't be so bad if I could get 3 or 4 people in a month and earn $1 to boost it up and get paid $5 every single month. It may be worth my time. But to be honest, I've received 16 messages in 1 month, which basically means that in order to get my $5 bonus, my $5 in my account so I can cash out, I'm going to be at least probably another 4 months. So that's going to be 5 months in total before I can actually cash out. Now, don't get me wrong, I've referred a few people, and I'm going to carry on referring a few more people, and just see how long it actually does take me to actually get to that $5. Maybe they start sending more texts, maybe they send less texts. We could be looking at a year. But at the moment, on what I've been doing so far, as you can see, it's going to take me about 4 months to hit that balance so that I can pull out. And on that assumption, guys, if you are obviously want it to obviously earn a bit of money to help you pay your bills, that sort of thing, this isn't really going to be reliable enough for it. But there are plenty of ways you can obviously look at that. I've got plenty of stuff on my YouTube channel. Just check out some of the playlists, how to earn money online, and some of the best paid survey sites, that sort of thing. Look at those playlists. Loads of different sites there, and also you've got my #1 recommendation, which is in the description below, of which has actually earned me just over $3,100 already in that program. So that is something you could look at. But as regards McMoney, I'm going to keep using it, keep getting the texts. Obviously, if you want to join it and try it on your phone as well, then obviously feel free to check out the referral code below and use that, and then you'll get your $1.02 bonus once you've received your first 5 texts. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel, and I will report back and do another video, hopefully with a payout proof when we hit the recommended payout limit, which again in the UK is $5, and this could vary between countries as well, so you could be less or you could be more. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe now and hit the notification bell. And then you'll get notified every time we make new videos. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.